Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a BMW M4 front view. First, begin by sketching a large rectangle, which will serve as the foundational shape for the car's body. Next, draw a vertical line down the center and a horizontal line across for eye level, ensuring your drawing remains symmetrical. Then, lightly outline the iconic kidney grille and the general placement of the headlights. This initial framework is crucial for accurate proportions. Now, let's focus on the details. Carefully refine the kidney grille, giving it its characteristic shape and adding the vertical slats inside. Then, move to the headlights, sketching the circular angel eye rings and the sleek LED strips within. After that, outline the aggressive lower air intakes and the overall contours of the front bumper. These elements truly define the M4's powerful presence. Moving upwards, let's define the hood. Draw the distinctive power dome and the sharp character lines that flow from the grille towards the windshield. Next, add the side mirrors, making sure they are correctly sized and positioned on either side. Finally, sketch the prominent wheel arches and the upper portion of the tires, giving the car a grounded and powerful stance. Pay attention to these subtle curves. For the final touches, carefully erase all the initial construction lines, leaving only your refined drawing. Then, go over all your final lines, making them darker and more confident. Add shading and highlights to give your BMW M4 drawing depth and a realistic, three-dimensional appearance. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Practice makes perfect, so keep drawing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.